Book of Heaven, Volume 12, May 16th, 1917. Effects of the Hours of the Passion. Finding myself in my usual state, I was fusing all of myself in my sweet Jesus, and then I poured all of myself into the creatures in order to give the whole of Jesus to all creatures. And my lovable Jesus told me,
"My daughter, every time the creature fuses herself in me, she gives to all creatures the influence of divine life, and according to what creatures need, they obtain their effect. Those who are weak feel strength. Those who are obstinate in sin receive light. Those who suffer, comfort, and so with all the rest."
Then I found myself outside of myself. I was in the midst of many souls who were saying to me, they seemed to be purging souls and saints, and were mentioning one person known to me who died not too long ago. And they were saying to me, he feels as though happy in seeing that there is not one soul who enters purgatory without carrying the mark of the hours of the Passion. And surrounded by the cortege of these hours and helped by them, souls take a safe place. And there is not one soul who flies into heaven without being accompanied by these hours of the Passion. These hours make a continuous dew rain down from heaven to earth, into purgatory, and even into heaven. On hearing this, I said to myself, maybe my beloved Jesus, in order to keep the word he had given, that for each word of the hours of the Passion, he would give a soul, there is not one soul whom he saves, who does not benefit from these hours. Afterwards, I returned into myself, and as I found my sweet Jesus, I asked him whether that was true. And he,
"These hours are the order of the universe. They put heaven and earth in harmony and hold me back from sending the world to ruin. I feel my blood, my wounds, my love, and everything I did being placed in circulation, and they flow over all in order to save all. And as souls do these hours of the Passion, I feel my blood, my wounds, my yearnings to save souls being put on the way, and I feel my life being repeated. How could creatures obtain any good if not by means of these hours? Why do you doubt? This thing is not yours but mine. You have been the strained and weak instrument.